Hello Infotainers, I hope you have already watched the video Homemade Solar System. If you haven't watched, then link is in the description or here in the top right corner in the cards. Today we will see how I created our homemade solar system. But before we start, I would like to clarify something, that it took me 5 days to create this solar system. That is a 1 minute, not 1 minute but 50 seconds video. Why? Because I have a low configured PC. Due to this, PC started burning. अरे भाई कितना जोर देगा तू. But anyhow, we made it and we created a video. Also, it was my first try. So without wasting any time, let's straight away jump into it. First, to make our solar system, you can download elements of planets, suns and different galaxies from internet. And I have used Filmora, which gives elemental packs. And then organize each planet by your own choice. And voila, your galaxy is ready. Now as you can see, I have already opened the edited work. And the software here is known as davinciresolve. I will not explain step by step, but I will show you every step I took. Step 1. Import all the videos which are necessary for editing. Step 2. Layer up all the videos which you want to work. Now I will explain why to layer up. Because we have to mask and track the videos like this. We have layered up our videos. Now if you have already worked with DaVinci Resolve, then you will know about Fusion page and color page. Or I will not explain here, but will explain in near time in future. For this video I used the color page. As you can see, here are our videos arranged in an order which we have already layered up. Now what we want was to appear our solar system in the roof behind the fan. So first our main task was to track and mask our ceiling. So first I tracked down all the ceilings frame by frame just like this. See, it is tracking. After the tracking process was completed, I masked it out. Again, after the masking process was done, we have to mask our fan because it won't appear otherwise. So after masking out the ceiling, I masked the fan to bring it to front, just like this. See, right now our fan is here, and how the tracking points work. See that, track and mask, and done. Our solar system is ready to go, and then import it by deliver page. See, it is as simple as that. It was simple, but it took hell lot of time as masking process is a tedious task. It won't mask easily. You have to blur it out, you have to make points correctly. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, want more tutorials, then subscribe the channel. It really motivates me, and thank you. आशा करते हैं कि आपका नया साल शुभ रहे. टाटा, आओ जो खाना खा के जाना हो.